Alright, so here we have a 170,000 mile BMW 3 Series. You can see that the headlights are heavily fogged. We've washed the headlights and we've prepped our area for work. And now we're going to show you how we at Santa Barbara Auto Detailing will restore and then coat the lens permanently so that this does not occur. In our final process, we will apply a super concentrated UV blocker chemical that basically bonds with the substrate and cross-links and forms a permanent bond on the headlight. Therefore, in 3 to 4 months, there will be no fogging. This is a permanent bond to the headlight. The process takes about 3 to 5 minutes to cure permanently, and we will remove any excess, and your headlight is permanently protected.